Hi lovely people, this is Gabby and today I'm going to show you how to make this very easy ghost amigurumi which requires no sewing. As per usual in the description you're going to find the stitch tutorials, materials and a link to the free pattern. Now let's get started with the body. Round 1, 6 single crochets into a magic circle. If you don't know how to make the magic circle, I have a great tutorial with lots of explanations in the description down below. Round 2, increase a round. That's 2 single crochets into 1 stitch. Round 3, single crochet followed by increase. Repeat a round and on the last stitch place increase. Round 4 to round 6, single crochet around. Round 7, single crochet in the next 8 stitches followed by increase. Round 8, single crochet in the next 9 stitches followed by increase. Here I'll save you some time and show you the next 3 rounds. You can pause the video and follow the pattern. Round 12, single crochet in the next 3 stitches followed by increase. Don't finish off or cut the yarn. Place the eyes between the 4th and 5th rounds with 4 stitches between them. Bottom part. Round 1. 4 single crochets into a magic circle. Round 2. Increase a round. Round 3. Single crochet followed by increase. Round 4. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches followed by increase. Round 5. Increase in the next 3 stitches. Followed by single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Repeat that sequence 2 times. Round 6. Increase in the next 3 stitches. And single crochet in the next 8 stitches. Repeat that 2 times. Round 7. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches followed by increase. Finish off and cut the tail. Take the body and the bottom part, put them wrong side to wrong side, and single crochet around both pieces. As you close the gap, place fiber fill inside and stuff firmly the head. Slip stitch and finish off. Add smile and blush. Now let's make the arms. To make the arms, insert the hook 2 rounds below the eyes. The arms should have 8 stitches between them. Chain 4, starting from the second chain from the hook, single crochet across. Slip stitch back into the body and finish off. Do the same for the other arm. And you're ready. Thank you so much for watching and hopping on the journey to make this cute ghost. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this tutorial. I'll be very happy to see your creation. You can tag me on Instagram and show off your new ghost friend. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Also, if you happen to really like this video, you can support me by checking out my Etsy shop, which is called Amigurumi Forge, or you can use the super thanks option here in YouTube. Have a lovely day or night, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye now.